Today, we will explain one of the latest home automation technologies Apple announced, the arrival of a fantastic, extremely clever feature named Apple HomeKey in iOS 15. So, before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel for our future updates and turn on the notification bell to easily find out when we upload another video like this one. Let's go! Apple unveiled a new smart home feature called HomeKeys in 2021, an iOS-friendly touch on managing the intelligent locks that safeguard your house. But due to worldwide manufacturing issues, it has also been challenging for manufacturers to get their goods, such as intelligent locks, to market as quickly as possible. But since we're officially seeing the first gadgets that work with HomeKey, it's an excellent opportunity to look at what this feature accomplishes and why you should consider adopting it. A HomeKey generates a safe cryptographic passcode saved in your Apple Wallet. This enables you to use a compatible smart lock similar to how you use Apple Pay to swiftly open your door and automatically lock it when you're finished. The House app retrieves the HomeKey from Apple Wallet, validates it with the smart lock, and the smart lock unlocks. You don't even need to do much more than swipe your iPhone or Apple Watch. You don't have to coordinate third-party apps because it all works through the Home app. The first task is to get one of those specialized smart locks that operate with house keys. The best part is that 2022 will be a terrific year for these locks since they will finally be available. The bad news is that just one smart lock with HomeKey compatibility will be available in the coming months. The Schlage Encode Plus Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. If you like that model, you may place a pre-order and relax. Otherwise, you may have to wait until the following year when additional locks should be arriving. Once you've found a lock that worked with you, you should begin installing it. Schlage provides a web-based tutorial for their deadbolts that might be of great assistance here. The standard front door should be able to support a lock like this. However, you will need to assess the thickness of the door and purchase a sturdy door kit if required. This is a simple DIY project as long as you are experienced with a screwdriver and have someone to assist you with the problematic aspects of the installation. Check that the lock can communicate to your Wi-Fi network as you go through the procedures. If your door lock has difficulties connecting, you may need to relocate your router closer to the safety. Now that the smart lock is connected to your network, it's time to grab your iPhone, launch the Home app, and tap the giant plus symbol on the home screen. The Home app will automatically prompt you to enter the 8-digit lock configuration code to authenticate your smart lock. This will be printed on the Schlage lock or other lock labels. The handbook should include a QR code that can be scanned to accelerate the procedure. At this stage, you should give the lock a different name and then select a room for it to be connected with, such as entryway or front door. It's also good to keep the name short because it will be what you use to operate it using Siri instructions. After you've added your block to main, return to the Homes app main screen and choose your new lock from your linked smart devices. It's conceivable that you'll be subjected to unlocking choices throughout your setup procedure, so complete your setup thoroughly, and you could discover this step there. You will have 2 unlocking options to choose from in your intelligent lock settings. Express method. This is the interaction-based unlocking mode in which you may swipe your iPhone or Apple Watch near a lock and it will unlock immediately, similar to how you swipe to use Apple Pay, but without any additional confirmations. This approach saves time, but it's less secure because anyone can do it with your iPhone or watch. Face ID or passcode required. You must hold your iPhone close to the lock, then authenticate Face ID or Touch ID for older iPhones. This method takes a few seconds longer and requires you to have your iPhone out and in your hand to operate. Nevertheless, it is much more protected. Now that you've decided how to access your smart lock, you must also choose how to lock it. You will also be able to select automations in the device settings and configuration, determining how the lock operates when you leave your house. There are 2 typical options. Secure after door closes. This easy configuration locks the smart lock when you close the door. Easy and perfect for 1 or 2 individuals, but not so beneficial if several people come and go from the house over a long period. Lock when leaving home. This feature locks the intelligent lock when your iPhone Apple Watch is within a set distance of the wave. For more prominent families, simple geofencing may be a preferable option. Configuring access and privileges is always essential in an intelligent lock setup. This is also possible using the Home app. When you initially configure your Apple Home critical choices, everyone in your family plan household list will receive the Home key, allowing them to lock the door in the same way. Things get a little trickier for visitors. Go to your Home app, long press your smart lock and select Settings, Manage Access, and Add Guest. This generates a visitor profile which you may name and allows them to use your smart lock. Then choose Change Access Code. Enter an access code for the guest to use and click Done. This generates a guest profile for your phone but does not send it to your contact. To transmit the access code to a specific reference, long press it and select Share. That individual will then be able to unlock your smart lock using the code. Using the same option, you may remove or edit your guest profile. Apple's Intelligent Home plan mainly relies on getting third-party device manufacturers to use its platform. Apple has not yet released an Apple Smart Lock, but it does advocate a smart lock that works with the Apple Home Key and Wallet apps. Let's look at the Apple Home Key compatible coils. You could be on the lookout for the most remarkable Home Key compatible locks. It enables you to instantly lock and unlock your house using your iPhone. Moreover, by connecting with the Home app, these door locks would allow customers to utilize Siri to activate them. Many brands like August, Yale, Kwikset, Eufy, VocaLink, and others have lately integrated with Apple Home Key. Schlage has announced the release of the first Apple Intelligent Key-compatible home lock. The Schlage Encode Plus Smart Wi-Fi lock is a newer Schlage Brilliant Wi-Fi Encode lock version. It will alter the way you guard what is most important to you. You can also count on Schlage to provide the most reliable features. It can also manage codes and more with the whole Schlage home experience, all at your fingertips. It also works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and HomeKit. You can lock and unlock the door and add and delete access codes using the Schlage Home applications for iOS and Android. It is simple to set up and takes about 15 or 20 minutes. You may also link your smart lock through an Apple Home Key, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or Bridge. Kasa has been named as one of Apple's smart lock partners. As a result, it will be compatible with Apple's Home Key function shortly. This new capability may also be expected from key-competent lock partners such as Level and August. Soon, suppose we'll go a little more into smart lock, which will be compatible with Apple's Home Key function. In that case, we find that with the Kasa Home and Apple's HomeKit applications, the Kasa N900 is perhaps the best bright door lock. It has a high-end appearance and is built of anodized aluminum. You can react swiftly thanks to an inbuilt fingerprint reader. If there are too many failed unlock attempts, the alarm will sound. It will inform you when a dedicated doorbell button is pressed. It is compatible with Apple's smartphone ecosystem since it has an Apple security chip. Apple has also identified Kasa as a smart lock partner. As a consequence, it will be compatible with this additional feature. According to Apple, all iPhones running iOS 15 will be consistent with the Apple Home Key. And with that, we come to the end of today's video. Leave a comment on your favorite part of the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to get notified immediately when a new video is out. See you soon in the next one.